Hi guys, so we're Amani and Amara, and today we are going to be doing some slime.
Yes, some slime.
And I got the Galaxie slime, and Amara, what did you get? You got the SlimyGloop?
I got the SlimyGloop Twists, and it's going to be so nice.
Yes, so let's open it.
Yes.
Stuff. I got some purple and blue food coloring. The purple looks actually kind of pink or red. And then I got some white glue. Then I have some cornstarch. And then I have glitter.
I have glitter too.
Open
So
up.
I got some blue glue. And I got some activator. And I got a popsicle stick. And we got some beads.
Some pink and white beads.
Yes, I got some glitter. Some glitter. And I got a cup, a measuring cup.
And glue. Activator. She got the measuring cup.
And
Okay, I don't think you
Okay, here. You can pour that in.
don't feel it.
Okay, and do you need more water? And Amani. Great.
Ooh, now this is super warm.
All right. And then. All right. So you keep going there until you reach the top line, okay, Mara? And we'll. Hold on, Amara. Where's yours? Measure.
She's already pouring in.
Okay, well, you need to do that one more time, okay? Okay, here's 1 ounce.
Look at it, it's like.
Okay, mix that.
Auntie, this smells like baby food.
It's not really. I don't you don't have a password for this. My.
She put it all in at the
Keep
same
it
time.
going.
Oh,
How's it going, Amara? You still need to add more
mine
activator.
won't let me move it.
Only put half of that in and then keep mixing.
I don't think she knows how much I have. That one?
Yeah, that's enough. She can keep mixing. Okay, yours is.
It's
Oh,
it's
okay. Let's show everybody how Amara's slime looks. Are you happy with your slime, Amara?
yes.
Mommy, look at me.
Put 1/2 on here and then leave the other half in the bowl.
I need to know what mine
Here's
is.
50.
Okay, you got 15? Then
No, I just now see 450.
Okay. Good trick taking off the lid. Let's see how Amani's doing over here.
Oh, Yes.
Let's see.
No, it's coming.
So sweet.
I think it is.
Okay, cool. So now you can pour it into your.
Oh wait, no, it's not.
No? Here, let me help you.
Full coloring. This is just.
This one or this one?
I think you should put it on the other one.
Well, it's her slime, so she can do it as she pleases. So mix that in slowly. And then.
Like you have to take your slime and you have to put it over like this. Mine fell.
It's because you weren't paying attention to what you're doing. You gotta pay attention, keep your eye on the prize, okay? Let's see what Amara's up to here.
Isn't that better than mine?
Yes. doing the job.
I think mine's good.
Yeah? All right. You want to move on to the next step?
Yes. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. What?
Here's what we have. The blue dye.
Look at that.
How's it going, Amara?
Perfect.
Nice. Now mix that in.
Ooh. Swirly. Blue and white like the ocean, kind of. Except the ocean is clear.
Are you going to put more of these balls in, or are you all done? Now it's starting to get a little slimy, but there's no more activator left.
You can use my activator.
It's all done. We used it all in yours. Yeah, this was not slimy at all. So this is not these aren't really good instructions for the Galaxie SlimyGoop. Less than stellar.
Because on the box it looked kind of like slime, but it was also like...
Show the box, Amani. Show them. All right, well, this is kind of disappointing. All right, we tried to save the blue gloop slime, but it just was not good. So the next step for Amara's slime is to combine them together. So can you guys combine the slimes together?
No, I want to combine this.
Amara! Okay. Show us the glitter slime and then show us the other side. Hold on, wait. Yeah, that's the one side and the glitter side, right? How's it going, Mara?
Good.
Cool. Keep mixing.
That looks like confetti pop.
All right, so let's rate the slimes.
I give that a 0 and I give that a 4.5.
Okay, so we're giving this one, Amara's, a 4.5. Amara, bring yours up to the camera and stretch it and show us how it is. Very cool. We're giving this one
A 0.
a 0. Show us what this one was like. This one was a very disappointing mess. So we're gonna try and make our own slime with the sparkles and the dye. All right, we are trying again. We're gonna make our own slime. So we're gonna use borax this time. Okay, so we're trying a new style. I'm gonna go get some warm water.
So
Okay, try mixing that.
Look at it. It's literally slime.
Okay, keep mixing.
Let's do one drop.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, that's dark blue.
Nice. And then we'll see if we can add some glitter. It's gonna be a dark color.
Ooh.
Okay, cool.
Ooh, this is pretty actually.
And I'm gonna add some of this in here. All right. Okay, mix it. You try and mix it with your hands or something.
Actually, I got some color.
Nice.
Oh no, I like.
Cool.
Yeah, this is just like the other one.
All right, keep mixing it. It's just gonna be small because we don't have a lot of ingredients, but yeah, we don't have a lot of glue. Okay, squish it in, Amani. Squish it in. Come on.
I'm supposed to grab it.
Yeah, go show it to Grandma. it going, Amani? Nice.